gotta tread lightly, kids. It is slick, 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 slick. Oh, I'm not ready for this. It's drizzling outside. We are in Wisconsin right now. There's a truck. A lot of snow out here. Luckily, the roads look like they're good because the cars are keeping up a good pace. Not ready for this. What are you doing? Get down. You don't listen well, do you? You ready to go?
Yep.
Alright, I'm just gonna put some water in my coffee and then I'll roll out.
You put... Hey. Cat.
Buckled in? Alright, love you.
Love you.
Pretty dang big storm. Buddy.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right.
sometimes it's just easier to go right than turn around. Welcome to Truck and Travel. I'm Darrick. We are in Wisconsin right now, and it's snowing. Hurry up, go in here to this Walmart, turn around. There's that truck entrance, that looks promising. I'm just going to go ahead and pull into where their trucks actually go, so that way I don't get confused with all this white. I don't want to back up over the
When
curb.
possible, make a U-turn.
I get it, I get it. For me, this is the first time driving on snow like this with this truck, so this is pretty intense. I'm sure everything's going to be fine, it's just the idea. Throw on the old four-way so everybody knows that's not outside, that I'm backing up. Seems good. I know it's gotta be slick. It was misted like a drizzle earlier.
Turn left.
And the cars were going pretty good pace. Oh, I can feel the wheels spinning. So it's gonna be interesting. I don't know how Wisconsin does with their highways. I don't know if they sold them all to heck like Ohio does. Visual up ahead's not bad. It's not just coming down the snow, but
In 1/2 mile, turn left.
you can see it's not normal anymore. It's gonna be a long ride. I think for this video, it's actually hard for me to concentrate on what to say or something to say just because I'm so intently looking at what's in front of me and trying to feel the truck to see if it's spinning or, you know, just to see if it feels like it has traction. I'm trying to be really in tune with everything. So this is probably going to be my video.
Continue on route.
Going too fast. Speed limit 70 miles per hour. Probably hang around 55, 60. There's the We gotta make sure that's not us. Cat's not used to seeing snow. Like we usually don't have the curtains open at home, so they go behind the curtains every once in a while. But it's got to be kind of weird that it's suddenly there. It wasn't there yesterday. You see it kind of float by the window, so I think that's what's got it. Yeah, I'm doing about 15 miles per hour right now. Sorry if it's so loud in here. I got the froster going for the windshield, and got the Reefer going because we're going to be picking up stuff that is heating negative 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yeah. Alright guys, still in Wisconsin right now. As you can see, I'm not wearing my uniform anymore. We made it to the shipper, we picked up, we got her loaded up. It was somewhere close to Minnesota, I want to say. Now we're back on I-94. We are headed for Michigan, and we're going to drop this off there. It's pretty crazy. This is a reefer run, and it is set for negative 5 degrees, which is pretty wild. Anyways, it's 18 degrees outside right now. It was a low of 14 earlier. There is a winter storm warning in effect for this area until 6 p.m. So we got about a couple more hours yet. So we was dealing with that earlier. That's why everything was so bad, because it was under a winter storm warning. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here because it's starting to get dark out. Don't know if you can tell in the cameras, but it is starting to get dark out. And yeah, sorry I wasn't too talkative earlier. I was just trying to concentrate on the road and just trying to get everything done. So it's either going to be a long, quiet video or a short video, one of the two. Nonetheless, thanks for hanging out with us. We really appreciate you. Feel like it, leave a comment down below and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you know when we update or upload or whatever. Sometimes we post pictures in our community section on YouTube, so you can see where we're currently at. We don't always get to do that, but when we can, we will. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and God bless you.
Nothing can break me.